This is Zay. First time in a bridle. It's about his, maybe 5th or 6th ride. It's a big old Russian creek. Let's see what happens here. Good boy. What a good boy. That was great. Here he is coming back across it. Woo! That was deep. He was going to eat some grass. What a good boy.